So we are having a cereal box domino event. Our students have collected cereal boxes to support Greer Soup Kitchen, and we decided before we donated them to Greer Soup Kitchen we were going to have a little bit of fun and do a cereal box size game of dominoes. It was an 8-day challenge that we ran the cereal box donation. So our initial goal was 800 boxes of cereal. By the time the 8-day run was over, we were at 1,764 boxes of cereal. So more than doubling our original goal. Wait. Our grade level winners, the top donator from each class, helped to be the starting point and tip the first box. In an elementary school the week before winter holidays, there's just so much fun and excitement. Our student lighthouse leaders really wanted to do something to serve the community. When our families and our students and our staff come together and we really focus on a common goal, like, we can achieve anything together. So, in our community benefits, which is the best part of it.